Home responsibility protection. When it comes to home responsibility protection, several areas of law come into play. These laws help define and enforce responsibilities related to home ownership, safety, and maintenance. Here's an overview of relevant legal aspects. 1. Property law, ownership rights and responsibilities, title and deeds, legal documents that establish ownership of property and detail responsibilities related to its maintenance and use. Property maintenance. Owners are legally obligated to maintain their property in a condition that does not harm public health or safety. This includes keeping the property free from hazards and complying with local building codes and zoning laws. 2. Landlord-tenant law, landlord responsibilities, habitability. Landlords must provide a rental property that meets basic health and safety standards. This includes functioning plumbing, heating, and electrical systems, repairs and maintenance. Landlords are typically responsible for making necessary repairs to keep the property in a habitable condition. They must address issues like leaks, mold, and structural problems in a timely manner. Tenant responsibilities, care of property. Tenants must maintain the property in a clean and undamaged condition and follow any terms outlined in the lease agreement regarding maintenance and repairs. Reporting issues. Tenants are generally required to report maintenance issues to the landlord so that repairs can be made promptly. 3. Building and zoning codes, building codes, compliance. Homeowners must comply with local building codes and regulations when undertaking renovations or construction. These codes ensure that buildings are safe and meet established standards for construction materials. Zoning laws, land use. Zoning laws regulate how property can be used in different areas, e.g., residential, commercial. Homeowners must adhere to these regulations, which can affect things like property modifications and the operation.
4. Homeowners Association, HOA rules, HOA regulations, compliance. Homeowners in communities governed by an HOA must adhere to the association's rules and regulations. These can cover a wide range of issues, including property appearance, maintenance, and common area usage. Enforcement. The HOA has the authority to enforce its rules through fines, maintenance requests, and other measures. 5. Insurance and liability. Homeowners insurance, coverage. Homeowners insurance typically covers damages to the property, liability for injuries occurring on the property, and certain types of loss or damage. It's important to understand what is covered and any exclusions that may apply. Liability. Homeowners are generally liable for injuries that occur on their property due to negligence. This includes ensuring that the property is safe and free from hazards. 6. Safety and environmental regulations, safety standards, health and safety codes. These regulations ensure that homes meet safety standards to protect residents from risks such as fire, carbon monoxide, and electrical hazards. Environmental laws, mold and lead paint. There are regulations concerning the management and disclosure of environmental hazards like mold and lead paint. Homeowners may need to address these issues, especially in older homes. 7. Dispute resolution, legal recourse, mediation and arbitration. In cases of disputes related to property maintenance or landlord-tenant issues, parties may seek resolution through mediation or arbitration before pursuing formal legal action. Understanding and adhering to these legal aspects helps ensure that home responsibilities are managed effectively and that legal obligations are met. If you have a specific legal question or situation related to home responsibility, let me know, and I can provide more detailed information or guidance. Law Case Notes.